Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you how to recover any files that you may have deleted by accident from different type of storage devices, such as a USB flash drive, SD card, and a hard drive. For this, we're going to be using a program called Tenorshare Alt Data Windows Data Recovery. So just like it says in here, it will help you get back deleted, formatted, or lost files from a computer. And it works with a hard drive, memory card, dynamic disk, and removable devices. And if you scroll down on the website, you will see a list of files that can be recovered using this software, like photos, videos, music, office documents, zip files, and more. Alright, enough talking, let's get started. I'm going to try to replicate a similar scenario. I'm going to create an Office document and I'm going to type, "This is a test document," and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to create a test text document. And I also have an audio file here. And I'm going to copy these three files to a USB flash drive. And I'm going to delete them. It says, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these three items?" Yes. Now we need to download and install the software. You can get the link from the video description. And once it's done, just follow these three easy steps. Select the drive where you want to scan the lost files. In my case, it will be the USB flash drive, G drive, and then click on Scan. This process may take a while. In my case, it found three items I deleted. It only took a few seconds. If at the beginning of the process, you can see the files that you need to recover, you can just pause or stop the scanning process to save some time. After that, just select your desired files and click on Recover. And select a location where you would like to save them. I'm going to select Desktop for easier access. And that's it. Now you're gonna see a folder, and inside this folder you're gonna find your files. Thank you for making it until the end. Now you know how to recover any files that you may have deleted by accident. I will provide links in the video description box below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to watch more videos just like this one. And I'll see you on the next one.